Because as I'm talking to you, me, I was a member of the NDC party. But I sat down and recognized some things that they see their followers as their fools. They don't know what they are doing. Anytime NDC MP or NDC leader, let me say NDC leader, will come in power, they will give you excuses. If their president is not in power, they will tell you that my president is not in power, so we can't do development for you. Meanwhile, you are taking payments, you are taking your salaries, you take your this thing, what do they call it?
MP's common fund. MP's common
MP's
fund.
common fund. When the MP's common fund come, they will take it and say that MC who is not their party member refuse to give them the money. Meanwhile, it's not true.
They are taking gas fund too, health insurance fund.
All their funds, they take all, they won't work for you and tell you
It's
that their
full.
government is not in power. So the MC refused to give them the money. Meanwhile, it's not true. So always excuses. When their government too is in power and they appoint MC who he is not what, bear in mind with that MC, he will say the MC refuses to give him his funds. So always your constituency will be undeveloped. But 2016 that me I joined NPP, 2016, and I have my party card. When we voted for Honorable Kofi Amakwene, he did so many development to our constituency. We have street lights. He did. We don't have this thing, so many water bodies. So, but he did boreholes for us and so many things. Atewo Amante constituency, Atebubu and Amante constituency. Yeah. So for NDC, I don't see anything they do for people here. They will just come and give you excuses while they are stealing the nation assets, save it for themselves. While you the followers, you'll be gaining nothing from them. But they say MPP elders, the leaders are criminals. We accept MPP leaders are criminals. Let's assume this thing. Anytime MPP is in power, whether prices of things increase or not, when it is increased, you see people building houses. Why is it that when MPP is in power, things will increase, but still people are building houses? As I'm talking to you now, at table here, we farm maize, yam, and co. Now they don't buy. Since NDC came to power, you have maize calling a buyer to come and buy. He'll be rather away. No money. They'll be hiding the monies. Tell you that there's no money in the country. So NDC is not option for Ghana. Yeah. And about the distance, auctioning the cars, the distance, MPP never auctioned a car in this constituency. As we can all see, before Nanadu would step down, he brought this thing that the how do you call it? Grader and the directives, the drapes. It is here, but let me tell you something. You mark this thing on the wall before 2028. These people will sell it because 2008, before Kufo will step down, he brought us one tipper car, one this thing grader. Yeah, that's Caterpillar. He brought us one. Before 2012, they sold all. We can you imagine that this municipality we don't have hygienic this thing? How do you call it? Sanitation car? Unless yeah, at Amati constituency, we don't have sanitation car. Unless you call from Ejura Secheredumasu constituency to come. They sold all. But because they are this thing, their followers are, they don't want somebody who's educated. If you are educated, you and them won't work because they know that you are smart. You will see all their plans, so they don't want to work with you. So anytime you see an NDC MP or parliamentary candidate is working, you'll be working with uneducated people. But you can imagine, see, anytime you see an MPP flag bearer or MP parliamentary candidate is working, those following is are what? They are literates. They are not illiterates. So